The woman is gone. It's 2:13 a.m. A woman hears a knock at the door. She checks the camera. Nothing. Just the porch light flickering. 3 minutes later, another knock. Still, no one there. No footsteps. No car. Police review the footage. The motion sensors trigger, but no one's visible. Then it gets weirder. Every neighbor's camera? Glitched. One dog barked nonstop until sunrise. And the next morning, the woman is gone. No signs of struggle, no leads, nothing. It's still an open case. The doorbell footage? Still online. So here's the question. If someone knocked on your door at 2 a.m., would you open it? Comment yes or no.